Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce space between lines in Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, I have two paragraphs here, guys. And let's say I want to increase the line spacing in the first paragraph. So you want to highlight that first paragraph, right? By simple clicking on your mouse and drag over that paragraph. Now from here, you want to ensure that you click on home from the options at the top or the menu options. Then you want to find the paragraph section and you find the line spacing. It looks like this. And as you can see, once I hover over it, it says basically line and paragraph spacing. So if you click that drop down, you will see that you have numbers that you can select. So you have the one, which is the normal one, or the, let's say, the default one, and you can choose whichever one you want. So 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3, right? And you can also do line spacing option, which you can go inside there and you can make the changes as you wish, right? So let's say I want to put it to 2.5. Select that, and as you can see, the line spacing is now set to 2.5. Now the second one. So let's go here. If I click on this and I go back to the line spacing here, if I go to the line spacing option, if I click on that, I now can change this, right? So here you have the option. It says the spacing you can do before, you can do multiple spacing line. You can also put at, so you can go ahead and you can put this up how you want by simple, putting the values as you wish, right? Pressing the upper or lower button, or you can just simple type whatever you want. So if I want this to be 8, you can see that I can add that and I can basically press an OK. And as you can see, it now makes it really 8 by each of those lines. So that's how to go ahead and increase space between lines in Microsoft Word.